Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this little cruise duck set. Now, we love cruising, and one of the really fun games that we play is to hide these little ducks around and let other people pick them up. And then you hear them talk about it, and it is so fun. Like, it's a really fun activity to do with your kids. But I haven't seen this before. This is actually a little duck mailbox where you can leave a duck or take a duck, or you can just, do whatever you're wanting to do. So I could put in my little duck in here, close it up, keep it up like it's a mailbox, and then somebody else can either come take the duck out, they can replace it with their own. You can have such a fun game with this, but this is kind of like the little home for the ducks. It's about 4.5 inches tall. Each one of the ducks are around 2 inches, and they each have their own little tag as more of like a memorabilia or a souvenir or anything that has a little elastic on there. So you'd cut this little part out. You can tie on your elastic band on here, and then also tie it onto your duck. So that way you have it as, somebody else could easily keep this little guy and use it wherever they want to have it. And as an added bonus, this will stick to metal. So a lot of those cruise doors are all metal. So if you had a metal cruise door, you've got 4 magnets right here on the back, stick it on there, then you can open it up, put your little ducks in there. They sit in there really nice, so you could actually store, a couple on top of each other or, whatever. Close them back up, and you have a cute little duck mailbox that you can have for a fun little game on any cruise.